It is 50 degrees right now. I'm sweating like anything, but the only motivating thing right now is this new project by Imtiaz. So I've just come to this site in Dubai land where they're launching a new project. So this park that you see behind me is basically right opposite the site of Imtiaz, the new project by Imtiaz. And there you can see that is the project that is coming up. It is right on the main road. Even in terms of connectivity, this is just 15 to 20 minutes away from downtown. It is directly connected from Alain Road and Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road. And also, there's a blue metro line that is coming in this area, which is very close to this project. Imtiaz in a very short time have made their name and done things that not a lot of established developers are able to do, in terms of concept, in terms of pricing, payment plan, quality of construction, delivery. Not a lot of established developers are able to do, but Imtiaz in a very short period of time have done something tremendous. So there is already a lot of demand for this project. The studios will be starting from around 670,000 dirhams. Your one bedrooms will be starting from almost a million dirham, two bedrooms for 1.5, payment plan of 50-50 or 60-40 post handover. They have two options. So if you want in early on this project, submit an EOI. EOIs are open. It was launched yesterday. So if you want a good unit, you have to enter early. So if you want to submit your EOI, DM me and I'll get you the unit of your choice.